start to review. This is a portable jet fan by Opdooke. This thing is super powerful, which is more than most that I see out there that are handheld. And this isn't made of plastic. It's got aircraft aluminum, and it's very nice. I like it a lot, and it's doing a great job. I'm using it in my studio to clean off my keyboards and things like that, and it does a fantastic job. I don't have to buy those duster cans. Here's everything you get in the box. You get the thank you card, you get the instruction manual, and to be honest, it's very self-explanatory how to use this thing, so you can refer to that if you need to. They give you a nice case for it, which is nice to have. I like that, but it's high quality. It's made of aircraft aluminum, and you can see this is the red. They have them come in different colors too, I think black and silver. And yeah, this is nice. It's a brushless motor, USB-C plug on the bottom. Has 3 speeds. You gotta hold it down. There's the low, medium, and then high. And let me tell you, it's hard to, just as good as a duster can, if not better. And you see I was using it on my keyboard. And you hold it down to turn it off. Very nice though. This is great. You can use this while it's plugged in, or you can charge it. It goes up to 70 minutes in one charge. You can see the brushless motor on the back with the fans. Very nice though. They give you a different attachment. You just pull these off. That's the smaller version. Here's the other 2. A little bit larger nozzle, a little longer, and then you got this flat. Very cool. All you do to take these is twist them on and you're good to go. And works great. Like I said, on that high setting, it'll really take the dust off whatever you need to get the dust off of. Here's the USB-C cord. Charge it with about 2.5, 3 feet. And on the inside here, you also get these brushes, which come in super handy to help as well with removing dust. You get the smaller one for your keyboard, small electronics, things like that. A little wider, soft bristles. They're not going to hurt anything. But yeah, this is a great product. I'm super impressed with it, and I highly recommend it. Opdooke Jet Fan. Enjoy.